Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cover up scuff marks that you may have on your furniture. If you're like me and on a budget and not interested in purchasing new furniture right now, I'm just going to show you how to make it more appealing. So after I cleaned it with my Pledge, this is a platform bed I had. I remember I had these furniture scratch markers. I can't remember where I picked them up from. I know Dollar Tree has them. I may have gotten them from the Dollar Tree, but I'll put the instructions on the screen. I know the instructions does say do not shake the pen and start with the lightest pen that you have first and then gradually move to the darkest pen. So you see I have a mahogany and like a dark walnut. So I'm going to use both of these pens to cover up these scuff marks. So I thought I'd put this video together because some people may not know about these pens. So they really work good. So after you apply the pen, it does say wait 5 minutes. It tells you to polish your furniture and then wait before you apply another coat, but I don't do the polishing. I just apply the first coat and let it dry, and then I usually do a second coat. So that's what I'm be doing in this video. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V. My channel focuses on budget friendly content like this, like covering up scuff marks to keep your furniture looking new. And I do a weekly Dollar Tree haul and an Aldi's Dollar Tree haul, and I also document my debt-free journey on this channel. So if those are things you're interested in, go ahead and tap that pink subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap your notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried to use one of these markers before. Now I'm going to go in with the darker pen. I waited about, probably not 5 minutes, but I waited a few minutes and I went in with the darker pen. And so it really made a big difference. So I was glad I ran across these markers while doing some cleaning today, so I can share this video with you guys.